Hi everyone, my name is Atharva Korde and I recently completed an online internship as a business analyst and I'd love to share my experience. This internship was a great learning journey for me. I got the opportunity to work on two hands-on projects where I applied key business analysis concepts and created interactive dashboards using Power BI and Tableau. These projects not only helped me improve my analytical thinking, but also gave me real world exposure to how data is used to drive business decisions. Throughout this course, we were trained in a range of tools and technologies that are essential for any business analyst. This included SQL for data querying, Tableau, and Power BI for data visualization. And we also explored various business analytics tools and techniques like requirement gathering, data cleaning, KPI setting, and generating business insights. Now, what made this course stand out was its balance between theory and practical application. Every concept we learned was immediately applied in our projects, which really helped reinforce the learning. Overall, this internship gave me a solid foundation in business analytics and boosted my confidence to work on real data driven challenges. In the end, I am truly thankful for this experience and would highly recommend it to anyone who wants to enter the world of business analytics through Unified Mentor. Thank you so much.